Hi, I'm doing Paul McWhorter's Pico W lessons, and I'm up to lesson number 77, which is using an infrared remote control, and I'm using it with Neopixels. I haven't got the Sunfounder remote control, so I'm using that one, which is from my Manhattan's FreeSat box, and the reason why I'm using it is because I got the red, green and blue buttons that I thought might come in useful. I will just try running this boy. No, I have to run it first, stupid woman. Right, Neopixel controller has started, so I will try remote on is true. Right, if I do press mute, that does, not very easy to see, kit lights. And then as well as that, the servo still works. So if I go 90 and press start, it goes there, and it will go back and it will go forward. My invert RGBLED works like that. Working my way down, guide. Right, that just lists all the functions of the buttons, but I couldn't be bothered to put them all in. I does a gradual fill of the colours of the rainbow. OK doesn't do anything. What does menu do? Menu just fills them in all at once. Then we have list. List. This is Paul's running rainbow, so it fills in the next pixel round and round and round with the next colour of the rainbow. What else do we have? If I press red, it sets the RGB colour to red. So then if I press volume up, it increases the value of red, it decreases the value of red. And if I put it up to top, and if I press yellow, down here it lists the colour values. So then if I invert again, that goes to cyan. Doesn't look like cyan to you, but it looks like cyan to me. Then I can go 255 and blue, and it sets blue to 255. Then if I invert, it's still can't see, lights are on. It's called the sun, actually. It turns to green. Now what else can I do? I've done that. Back. What is back? Back is just filling up the Neopixel ring with random colours. Then I've got all sorts of buttons. I've got exit. Right. Well, unfortunately, as you can see, I haven't implemented anything for the cosmic unicorn, so I won't press any more of the buttons. But what you can do is, if you press list, you can still flip that, and you can still move the servo while it's doing its flashing. Now I'm going to stop there, and then I'm going to demonstrate what the cosmic unicorn ought to do when I press the button. So I'll go Control C, resets everything, and I will pause the video there. I didn't actually show the code. A lot of this has I explained in the previous video, which was to lesson number 76, I haven't imported socket or network because this was just a bridge too far really. I will just scroll down so you can look at the code. That's just setting up my array of rainbow colours. That's to avoid using global variables. These are all the functions that are called with when I press a key button. No, it's either a key or a button. It isn't a key button. Anyway, I'm just scrolling, and so you can have a look at it if you wish. That Neopixel controller is what is started when I start the other thread, or the thread in the other core. And we've got kit lights, fill, gradual fill, rainbow. Then I've got all the bits and pieces for cosmic unicorn, which I haven't imported socket or network, so it doesn't work. Then I've just got the Manhattan key mappings. On the Manhattan, it actually happens that it's 0 is 0, 1 is 1, but I thought in case I changed the controller, I'd leave it in case another controller didn't do that. Right. Then that's my callback. That's all the bit that doesn't work, and that's the end. So that's my program. Now this is my cosmic unicorn, which is pretty nice, and it's a 32 by 32 array of neopixels. Now I've written a program that is connecting to that's been set up as an access point, and this program is connecting to the cosmic unicorn and simulating what my remote control program ought to be doing. I mean, the problem with trying to do program on 2 Raspberry Pis is that you either have to save one as main, but the program as main on the other one, or you have to connect via, if you see there, all those WS192, you have to set it up so it isn't connecting via the COM port, but I thought that is just too difficult, so I'm not doing that at the moment. I've done a video in the past on how to do that, and it means you can connect wirelessly and run your programs on your Raspberry Pi, but I digress. Right, first of all, I need to connect to the network. Turn on. Right, I will try connect. Oops, no, I didn't want that one. I wanted that one. It moved. Connect. Will it connect? Right, that's connected, but it's got no internet, obviously. So I will try running this program. What is your command? Now I've got 4 different effects, and turning it off, as in the display off, and stopping it completely. So I go A. Can't see that very well because the lights are on, but it's going through the colours of the rainbow. And if you notice, it came back, the command print, I was just pointing with my finger, it came back here to prompt you for something else. So I'll go B. C. D. That is just filling up with the colours of the rainbow, going round, 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 and you can choose the number of repeats that you have. Then what you can also do is go A and then immediately press D, and as soon as it can, it interrupts. Now that is what I tried to get the program with the infrared remote control to do, but it didn't work. So I can go A again, and then I can go off. It interrupts as soon as it comes to a suitable point. So it will, if it started doing one round, it won't stop, and it won't be interrupted until it finishes that. And then I can just go stop, server stopped. Now, if I might be able to find the code. Actually, no one's really interested in the code because no one else has got a cosmic unicorn. So that is my not very satisfactory homework.